Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power variables so you know what's wrong. First, use the original USB-C cable and a reliable 5V/1A adapter. Cheap chargers can fail to initialize charging. Once connected, watch the LED for any blink or steady color. No LED usually means a dead battery or bad cable. While it's plugged in, gently wiggle the connector to check for intermittent contact. Make sure the port is clean. Use compressed air or a toothpick carefully to remove lint. Once you confirm power delivery, reset the headset to clear firmware glitches. You do this by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This can reinitialize the charging controller. After reset, swap to a verified cable and adapter to rule out marginal power delivery. If the LED responds, leave it charging for 2 hours and note whether the LED changes state. That tells you if the battery accepts charge or if the fault persists. If charging still fails, you move to hardware diagnostics. Only do this if you're comfortable. Open the ear cup to visually inspect the battery and connector. Measure battery voltage 3.7 to 4. 2 volts is normal. A voltage under 3.0 volts or a swollen cell means replace the battery with an OEM equivalent pack. Make sure to check solder joints and the charging board for corrosion. If nothing responds after these steps, contact Apple or Beats support for professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.